live in the era of cyber warfare. The new crown jewels are now kept in a data center, and our ability to prevent, withstand, and recover from any attempt to steal them is tested every day. This problem isn't new, but despite years of efforts, organizations continue to struggle to effectively enforce true cyber resilience. The question is, why? We've seen a paradigm shift in the way ransomware attacks operate over recent years, with the appearance of fileless malware and other techniques which make these harder to detect and contain. But there's more to it. Until now, IT teams had no choice but to manually stitch together multiple different products, as no vendor could enable cyber resilience end-to-end. The VMware Cloud Foundation platform is here to change that. Our holistic approach to cyber resilience tightly integrates out-of-the-box hardened infrastructure, strong distributed lateral security, and purpose-built cyber recovery in a single technology stack, which delivers superior value than the sum of its parts. With the VCF platform, best-of-breed solutions and frictionless operations are no longer mutually exclusive. Enabling this end-to-end cyber resilience for our customers is a top priority for us, and we continue to innovate to challenge the status quo as we navigate this ever-evolving threat landscape. In case you missed it, these were our top 5 innovations in cyber resilience for 2024. At the infrastructure level, we simplified management with refined role-based access control, the inclusion of new federated identity providers, and the introduction of automated security guidance. We have also enabled our customers to streamline compliance with frictionless updates of TLS encryption ciphers across their entire fleet of hosts, and benefit from strengthened security at the hypervisor level through trusted platform modules. All of this without impact to IT operations. Data shows that 75% of SOC analysts triage over 100 daily alerts, and 25% can see over 1,000. This security alert overload and lack of deep context into threats increases risk for an attack slipping through the cracks. Intelligent Assist for vDefend addresses these challenges head-on. It is a Gen AI assistant that is fully embedded into the UI and is engineered to deliver 3 key outcomes. The first is context-driven alert explainability. The LLM-powered chatbot explains alerts in simple terms, allows security teams to assess the impact and scope of the threat, identify related events that may have happened before or after it was detected, and visualize indicators of compromise. The second is automated response and remediation. Intelligent Assist suggests remediation policies and allows users to automatically create and implement policies across their entire infrastructure. Finally, Intelligent Assist simplifies triage by grouping NDR campaigns based on similar indicators of compromise, which can reduce the number of alerts by up to 10x and accelerate threat remediation. We also announced additional vDefend innovations in 2024 to help our customers more easily manage, customize, and run their security operations across all their VCF sites. For customers who need flexibility to tailor their defenses against industry-specific attacks, we've added support for custom IDS/IPS signatures. Our distributed and hypervisor-integrated IDS/IPS allows them to import their own signatures or use those sourced from third-party threat feeds. This not only streamlines signature lifecycle management, but also enables them to consume threat intelligence platforms, identify early indicators of emerging threats, and preemptively patch vulnerabilities to stay ahead of the game. Simple management is key to enable cyber resilience, as it minimizes risks that may stem from human error. With new centralized policy management, SOC teams can now deliver global IDS/IPS security policies across distributed VCF deployments and visualize them within a single console. When it comes to data governance, it is not uncommon for certain organizations to have sensitivities or compliance requirements that prevent them from storing data in the public cloud. However, they still need to extend their cloud operations to air-gapped on-premises sites. To support these requirements, we've extended multi-context NDR so customers can run all the advanced dynamic analytic techniques formerly available in our cloud sandbox to their air-gapped VCF environments. Let's move on to the top innovations in cyber recovery. Freedom of choice and customization is important to our customers, as every organization has unique needs. VMware Live Recovery enables confident protection and recovery from cyber threats and other disasters across a wide range of VMware-based topologies. And we are now taking it one step further. We've announced plans to support cyber recovery to an on-premises isolated recovery environment. This will give our customers the option to recover to a VCF clean room on-premises or in the cloud, preserve data sovereignty to meet regulatory requirements, and unlock the value of the full stack integration of VCF cyber resilience. This aligns with our mission to enable protection and recovery from cyber attacks across any and all VMware infrastructure. Tight integration is key to deliver end-to-end cyber resilience, and vSAN data protection is a clear example of this. This innovation unlocks two major outcomes for our customers. First, the integration between VMware Live Recovery and the vSAN Snapshot Manager in VCF production environments allows organizations to recover from a cyber attack up to 16 times faster. Users can invoke recovery using local vSAN copies once clean snapshots have been identified in the isolated recovery environment, which reduces data transfers at failback by orders of magnitude and accelerates recovery. We've also announced plans to support vSAN remote snapshot replication for on-premises recovery. The native vSAN to vSAN replication allows us to deliver a much deeper history of snapshot copies for on-premises cyber recovery, which is essential as the latest restore point is most likely infected. vSAN remote snapshot replication will be supported for both DR and cyber recovery through a unified appliance for simplified management. And users will be able to leverage vSAN storage clusters to scale storage independently of compute in their recovery sites. There's many exciting innovations that didn't make this list, so if you want to learn more about them or do a deep dive into the ones we've covered today, check out our VCF blog or watch our on-demand Explore sessions. As we dive into 2025, we are continuing to invest and develop solutions to address our customers' toughest cyber resilience challenges and bridge the gap between prevention, detection, and recovery.